morning. Today is Friday, July 12. We're picking up my friend in Spirit, arrival at 9 o'clock in the morning. That's where we're heading right now. Okay, let's go walk. Exit.
Tandaan mo dada.
What? 3703. Oh no, there's no. Mami, come here. There's no pedestrian there. Yeah, come on. I don't want to get in trouble. No pedestrian crossing over there. Airport parking. Can you hold this like this?
Di ba tayo pa?
No.
Dito lang tayo sa baba.
Spirit. Okay, we're now in the airport terminal east. We have to go to terminal 1, eh? So we're gonna be a walk. It's gonna be a long walk. Dito ba? Ay, tama mi, oh. Dito tayo nag-Uber, oh. I remember that. We're gonna go up mi, tapos baba. Escalator. Ticketing. Yeah. Terminal 1 is over there. Okay. This is Terminal 2. Yeah. No, we will go down here.
Yeah, pero pabalik natin. Sabi ko, dito sa
Yeah, okay. Terminal 2. Where's the escalator?
Saan tayo pupunta? Doon?
Sa baba. Yeah. There. There's an escalator. Then, you know, you have to go down. Wow.
Dito?
Yeah. Ba tayo ito? Then exit here. Or we can go straight me without going out. Pero lamig dito eh.
Yeah.
Sa labas tayo. A photograph covered now with love. Saan tayo galing? Doon tayo galing, may tandaan mo, ha? 373. Yeah. 373. sinasara mo yung dibdib mo. We are now walking to Terminal 1, Spirit Airlines arrival at 9:15 from Las Vegas. A friend of mine is visiting San Diego because his wife is having a kind of a meeting for her new job. So he's asking a favor to pick him up. So it's my wife is saying looks like she did get this. I don't want to say anything. This is gonna be in video, man. Oh, this is a busy airport. They're fixing this for so many years. Until right now, it's not fixed yet. So what's cuckoo cuckoo Paloma, the spirit At least maybe don't get confused. Nabasa.
Kaya
Nabasa.
magandang mag-aeroplano puntang Las Vegas.
Ano, look at the line, eh.
Saka look at this. Pero mo po, bababa sa airplane, maglalakad ka pa. Iba talaga, kaya masarap talaga yung mag-drive.
Oh, okay. Because driving may be straight.
Yeah, saka biro mo yung bababa ka sa airport.
Okay.
Ganito ang kahit magsasakay ka sa Uber, saan ka pa mag-ano din dahil doon ang Uber eh.
Ba't ganun ba ito? They're fixing the airport. Look at, it's gonna be big airport. Okay, that's the baggage claim. May, let's go here. Within private ship, within. Ano, wala naman sinasabi yung camera off. Dito siya bababa, may hindi ba pag ano, doon. Yeah, layo, may. Spirit Airlines. Dito dito dinadump yung mga illegal nila, mga nakatingin sa akin Dito dadating si Chito. Dito. But I have to see yung arrival mo.
All passengers must have a boarding pass and photo ID before entering the passenger screening checkpoint. Please have those items available as you approach the screening checkpoint. As a reminder, ticketed passengers only are allowed beyond the passenger screening checkpoint.
Las Vegas. 9:15, yeah, on time, flight 12:55. Flight 12:55, 9:15. Hold this, me. Ganyan mo lang sa mukha ko.
In the interest of aviation security, do not leave your luggage unattended at any time. Do not transport any
naiwan ko yung telepono isa. Saka galaw. Ito pala.
All checked and carry-on luggage is subject to search.
Yeah, flight. Flight 12:55. So flight 12:55, 9:15 ang dating. Okay. Pupunta tayo dito, mami. Sit down there because I'll buy a cup of coffee.